Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change frame size in Premiere Pro. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So here you can see that this is the video clip. So I want to change the frame size of this video. So the first method is you simply need to select the clip. Then you need to click on the right mouse cursor and click on scale to frame size. So here you can see that. So let me show you the second method. You simply need to select this clip and hold any corner of this clip and you can simply drag that like this. So let me make it straight first. Okay, and you can drag this like this. Okay, and the third method is you simply need to select the clip and here you can see the scale. You simply need to make it bigger like this. So this is the process by which you can change frame size in Premiere Pro. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos, and if you want to work with me, you can check out the description as well. Thank you. Have a good day.